Hey guys, Sinister with the Drone Network here, and we're going to do another episode of What's in the Package. This is some more of Jack's stuff from his birthday, so let's get into it. Go ahead, Jack. Cut away from yourself. There you go. Because people did comment on the last video that you were doing it better. Get the knife in there, Jack. There you go. No? Okay.
Hold on. I'm not on the right angle. There we go.
Get your hand out of there. There you go. That knife going dull?
Yes. Very.
Yeah, the knife is dull. Let me see it. Jack. Let me see it. Move.
You can get it. I can get it.
I got it. Alright. Sorry about that. Ooh, Ovonic 1300 milliamp 4S LiPo. Open that bad boy up. Here. Okay. Black strap off. Go over here. Let's see. Very cool. Look at that. You don't have to take all that off. Let's see. It's 4S LiPo 1300 milliamp 100C.
It's got wrap on it.
Very
too.
nice. Okay, very cool. And what is that? Okay, can you tear it now? Put the garbage in here. Okay, let's see.
The LiPo bag.
Yeah. Turn around, face the camera, so we can see it. Look at that. LiPo storage bag. We have them for our ground RC batteries, but we don't have them for the drone batteries. So, yeah. So what do you think? Pretty cool, huh? Alright guys, short and sweet. I'm a little under the weather right now, so Jack? Just say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Alright. Catch you guys in the next one.